Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss the problem from LEETCODE, problem name time needed to inform all employees. Okay, so the problem statement states that a company has n employees with unique IDs, and for each employee the unique ID is between 0 and n minus 1, and the head company has the ID name head ID. Okay, so there are n people and the head or the company has the ID head ID. Okay, now what you'll have to do here is every person is a manager to some of the other persons. I'll show you with this graph. As you can see, as you can see in this, 2 is the head and these are the employees of 2. In this, 6 is the head and the employee of 6 directly connected to 6 is 5. Now 5 is the head of 4. Okay, 4 is the head of 3, 3 is the head of 2, and so on. Now you want to spread an information. The head of the company wants to inform all the employees of the company about an urgent piece of news. So what he'll do, he will inform his direct subordinates and then they will inform their subordinates and so on. So what you'll have to do is the ith employee needs inform time I minutes to inform all his direct subordinates. Okay, so to inform all its subordinates, the ith employee needs this amount of time. So you have to return the number of minutes needed to inform all the employees about the urgent news. Cool. So you can understand this with this example. As you can see, the input is n, how many employees are there. What is the, actually this is something else. As you can see this, there are 6 employees in the meeting. The head ID is 2. Okay. And then as you can see, this manager, it means that the person with the 0th ID has the manager 2. The person with the 1 ID has manager 2, and so on. So you can easily build the tree using this data. And then the inform times means that, as you can see, the person with ID 2 takes 1 second to inform all its subordinates. And as you can see, this is the starting node. If it takes 1 second to inform all its subordinates, then the total time needed to inform all the persons in the meeting, for the meeting or in the organization, is 1 second. Okay, but as you can see in this example, like 6 is the head, as you can see, and the manager of, as you can see, the manager of 1, 2, this is helping us to build the tree. It means that the manager of the 0th ID person is 1, as you can see. The manager of ID 1 is 2, and so on. And it will take, like as you can see, 6 seconds for the first person to tell all his subordinates, and so on. So you have to output a total time taken. Cool. So I've drawn this example to make it more clear. It's very small. Can we make it big? Okay. So let's see. As you can see, this is the first person, and it will take 3 seconds for him to tell all its subordinates. Now for this person, it will take, as you can see, for this person, it will take 1 second to tell his subordinates. For this, it will take 2 seconds to tell all its subordinates, and so on. So you have to find out the maximum time it will take to tell all its subordinates. So what you will do, you will take the time taken for the first subordinate, because he will take this amount of time, plus you will find out the maximum among all the paths. Why? Because the maximum among the paths will tell us how much time it will take to tell the deepest person. So I'll tell you with this example. So 3 plus, we will iterate over and find the maximum time it will take to transfer the news along its children or the manager's subordinates. So it will take 1 second to transfer its news from this person. Okay. So it will take 1 second. Or if this tells this person, then it will take 2 seconds. Now this will take 2 seconds, and now we have to find out the maximum among, if we send this news among its subordinates. So it will take 2 seconds, it will take 2 seconds. So it will take 4 seconds. So total is 2 plus 2, 4. And see, for this, if we send this news via this, he will tell all its subordinates in 3 seconds. And the maximum is 4. So 4 plus 3, it's equal to 7. So the answer is 7, because it will tell its subordinates in 3 seconds. So 3 plus, then this will know after 3 seconds. Then he will tell its subordinates then like this subordinate will tell, this manager will tell all its subordinates in 2 seconds and so on. So the total time to take to spread the information, because this is the maximum time, all the other subordinates by this time will know the information. Okay, I hope you understand now. So what we'll do, for every node, what we will take the total time it will take plus the maximum among all its children, the time taken to know along the maximum among all its subordinates. Okay, so let's move on to the code to make it more clear. So this is the code in which, to make the tree or this graph, what we can do, we can make an adjacency list, and this is the adjacency list. We will iterate over the manager's list, because we know that for the 0th index person the manager is 1, for the 1 index person the manager is 2, which means that there is a directed edge from 4 to 3 and 3 to 2 and so on. So what we will do, but there is no directed edge from this person because this is the head -1. So apart, if this manager I is not -1, what we'll do, we'll make a directed edge from the manager I to this I, which means that there is a directed edge from the manager to the subordinate. And then we will run the DFS from the head ID, because we will run, or the message goes from the head to all its subordinates, and we will also send the inform time, how much time it will take for that person to tell all its subordinates. Then we will do a DFS call, and we will find out the maximum among all its children. So what we'll do, we will iterate over its adjacency list of the head or the person, the manager, and what we'll do, we'll find out the maximum among the DFS of all its children, and then we will return how much time the maximum we have found on all its children plus the time it will take for the head, because the head takes inform time of head ID time to inform all its subordinates plus the maximum time it will take to traverse this information among all its subordinates. Okay, so we will return this value, and this will recursively find out the maximum time it will take to tell the information among all its subordinates. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.